3, 2, 1.
The most common curved mirrors are what? The answer is D, spherical. A permanent logo was unveiled on December 1 of what year? The answer is B, 2008. Which animal can be connected to a computer USB port? The answer is B, mouse. In what year was the adventure film depicting the English sea captain and privateer of the Elizabethan era released? The answer is D, 1962. Which biological process in mammals occurs largely due to cell division? The answer is A, healing. What may we have been doing all day? The answer is D, moving. Which rated was written in the and so Simon Pegg lived in the roles and such of films, the Shauna and the Dead and Hot Fuzz. The answer is C, spaced. Which two systems together provide support to the body and allow for movement? The answer is B, skeletal and muscular. Why did she double-check with him about everything? The answer is D, she was worried about her specialist's errors. In what year was Peter of Alexandria born? The answer is A, 311. Which traditional Christmas plant is sometimes called the vampire plant? The answer is B, mistletoe. What may happen after my dad was diagnosed? The answer is B, the church prayed for him until he died. How many letters are there in the Cambodian alphabet? The answer is A, 72. A man is standing in his front yard. He is using a leaf blower attached to his back. What happens next? The answer is C, is blowing leaves off his grass. How do you eat arroz con leche? How would you do this? The answer is A, scoop it into your mouth with a spoon. What happens when a sodium atom loses an electron? The answer is D, becomes sodium ion. The vegetables are placed in a processor and pureed into a bowl. The mix is blended and put on the table to be served on the tortillas. The women, what happens next? The answer is D, sit at the table and talk as they eat. Hemoglobin is responsible for transporting what within our blood? The answer is D, oxygen. When was Ireland's police force established? The answer is D, 1822. A man is standing outside in a yard. He is holding a large axe in his hands. See what happens next. The answer is D. Chops a large piece of wood with the axe. The title shows on black. Then we see a boy. We see a shot of the terrain. The boy puts on gear and talks to the camera. What happens next? The answer is B. See the boy riding the dirt bike. Catch dust from drilling. How would you do this? The answer is A. Bend a post-it note over hole. What is the camera incapable of doing now? The answer is B. Taking photos with different focal lengths. What serves to replace non-reproducing specialized cells as needed in the adult's body? The answer is C. Stem cell. How many transport vehicle can the harbor actually hold? The answer is D. 200. What structures of the cardiovascular system help regulate body processes by either constricting or dilating? The answer is C. Blood vessels. When did Djibouti achieve independence? The answer is B. 1977. What element once commonly used in paint and gasoline has now been found to have dangerous effects? The answer is A. Lead. What line does Agent Morgan use on the TV show Criminal Minds whenever he calls Garcia for information? The answer is D. Hey baby girl. What may I be in the process right now? The answer is A. Moving. What is a capillary bed that filters blood principally based on particle size? The answer is B. Glomerulus. What are stoner bros? The answer is B. None of the above choices. Which 1997 movie is this audio clip from? The answer is A. Liar Liar. What actor won the 1996 Golden Globe Award for his role of an FBI special agent in a TV series? The answer is B. David Duchovny. Make stamped tool markings easier to read. How would you do this? The answer is A. Apply clear nail polish over markings. Sodium and chlorine combine to make what? The answer is B. Salt. To grease a pan before using it to bake, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use cracked eggs to grease the pan. What type of car did the son of Sam, David Berkowitz, drive? The answer is C. Ford Galaxy. In which year were nutrients categorized into their two respective categories? The answer is D. 2014. Who played Bob's wife Emily on the 1970s sitcom The Newhart Show? The answer is B. Susan Pleshette. Electricity is produced in a hydroelectric plant when moving water turns a turbine, which describes this energy transformation from the turning turbine to electricity. The answer is A. Kinetic energy into electric energy. When was the Romanian Academy Dictionary published? The answer is D. 2003. Which country, situated in today's Iraq and Iran, was a major enemy of the Roman Empire? The answer is B. Parthia. What is Einstein's famous equation? The answer is A. E equals mc2. Who created the idea of an evolutionary tree to represent the relationships between different species and their common ancestors? The answer is D. Charles Darwin. In what year did the war technically end? The answer is C. 2011. How many transmitters did CBC intend to upgrade before August 2011? The answer is A. 15. Why would the locals be worried about BS arrival? The answer is A. B is upset about the situation. Which situation would affect an organism's niche in a positive way? The answer is C. An increase in the amount of prey available. Under what name is Thomas Woodward better known?